Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to add an email on SoundCloud. First of all, you can open the SoundCloud application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the library at the bottom right corner of the screen. And after this, you can now tap on settings at the top right corner of the screen. And now you can tap on account. And here you can see the option emails. You can must fill the email section that you created the account, and it is a way you can add email address on SoundCloud if you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do. Trying using a VPN, it's secure, easy to use and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.